The following video explains how to reset the code of your Rhino Lock Pro if you have forgotten or misplaced it and could not access the key safe. In our example, the correct code is 0000, and with this set we can both open and lock the key safe. To simulate a forgotten code, we can set 0001 on the dials and the key safe can no longer be opened. In this case, we can use the emergency override key to access the key safe. Essentially, this bypasses the code. A further feature of the Rhino Lock Pro is that we can now establish what the correct code is. Using this internal window, we should look for a red dash. If the corresponding dial is set correctly, then a red dash will be shown. In our example, 3 of the windows show a red dash corresponding to the correct digits 000, but the final window does not because the digit 1 is incorrect. If we rotate this dial to show the digit 0, which we know to be correct, a 4th red dash now shows. This is the code which is set. We can further change or reset this code by moving the internal lever from the A position to the B position, setting the code desired on the dials, and then moving the internal lever back from the B position to the A position. Once this is complete, your new code is now set.